Dell is the well-known brand in computers field. It has got a wide range of products in its portfolio. Now it has come up with some interesting and spectacular devices. Among them are tablets, ultrabooks, all-in-one desktop PCs, convertibles, etc. It is also having XPS 12 convertible in its range. All these devices have been announced by Dell and will be released into the market by middle of November. They might be released first in USA and will be released in other markets thereafter. Dell XPS 12 convertible device is a combination of tablet, ultrabook because it can be converted from tablet to ultrabook and also vice versa. This device has got 12.5 inches screen size and comes with LED backlit display features. Touch screen is enabled on this device, and this kind of branded devices will surely have capacitive type of display. This device can be easily converted from tablet to laptop and also from laptop to tablet. Dell XPS 12 convertible device has got True Life in FHD resolution on its display. It comes with Corning Gorilla Glass and has got coating of aluminum and carbon fiber. Because of these coating features, it has got sturdy and durable finish. Dell XPS 12 convertible has got support for Windows 8 operating system. It features Intel's 3rd generation core processors. It is provided with Intel QS77 Express chipset. For taking care of graphics and display, dedicated Intel integrated graphics has been provided. It has got 6-cell lithium-ion battery which can provide good amount of talk time as well as standby time. Dell XPS 12 convertible device is also having interesting specs regarding camera and multimedia. 1.3 megapixels resolution camera has been provided on the front side, and hence it can be used for video chatting purposes. Spill-resistant keyboard of the standard full size has been provided on this tablet cum laptop. 1 mini display, 2 USB 3.0 ports and a combo port for microphone/headphones can also be noticed on this device. Price range of Dell XPS 12 convertible starts from Rs 90,490 by